Okay, so we did this little plain band, and I made a little bezel maker just to show you how this works. How to use multiple grasshopper components together. In our last tutorial we showed how to group stuff, so I'm going to just grab these guys over there. I'm going to group them together just to make the next part of this exercise a little easier to read. Okay, take that and hide it. And this is the little plain band jibby-jobby we made the other day, wherein you could quickly adjust a width and a finger size and make a plain band dynamically. Alright, the bezel builder, so let's take all of this, Control C, File, Open, and let me find my little bezel builder over there. Let's pop that in, grab all those components from the bezel builder, which you'll see now over there. The little bezel builder can have inside thickness, bottom thickness, differential sort of height. So we've got a bezel builder over here, and we've got the little band builder on the other side, so let's join them together. So I'm going to grab these and I'm going to go group into a cluster just to make what we're doing a little bit more legible. And I'm going to Control V to paste the bezel builder into there. Alright, I'm going to put it down here. So now we have both these components sitting inside here. Hide that. So let's join them together, and we can make a ring plus bezel builder all in one. Okay. To make this easier to read, you can call this one bezel builder. Alright, and let's make this one band builder. Whoops. Why won't you let me rename? Anyway, not important. Let's have a look at how we join these two together. So now we have a fairly complex bezel that we can build. A very, very simple band. We need to tie these two together. We need to figure out a way to tie them together, and we're just going to use grasshopper to pull the variables from here to adjust them to there. So I want to move this bezel to the base of this finger size, so that when I move the finger size, the bezel moves with it. Okay, so I'm going to, now that we've got those two together, I'm going to create a move. Alright, and move wants to know what geometry we're moving. We want to move the bezel. Okay, so we're going to attach that to there. At the moment it has some default translation in there. We want to translate in Z from 0 by half of the finger size. Okay, so we're going to put a Z vector in there. We're going to put a divide in there. Where are we? Divide, divide, divide. Divide domain. Division. And we want to divide the finger size in half. Alright, so we're going to pull that out there. We're going to set this by 2. And we're going to attach it to that. And so now we have the bezel moving together with the bottom of the band. Alright, we want to hide. And so now when you move your finger size around, the bezel will move with it. Alright, and so very quickly you've tied these two things together. Alright, you can do a boolean through there, or you can cut through the bottom of the bezel with the band, whichever way you want to go. But essentially you've now taken the two little things we did a tutorial on, you've tied them together, and you can keep building out on that. The little tool that we made to array them in a full circle, you could attach that in here and set it to 3 units and put 3 of them next to each other. Very, very powerful stuff once you get into the hang of it, of how it works. Okay. Alright guys, that's enough for today. I'll attach these to the email.